Artwork fly.
Be careful with this one, it is going to be a hot one, literally. This is the melted or the melting crayon wax. This is a mixed media technique that can be used to give your artwork a bit of texture. It is done by using lighter or a blow dryer to melt the wax crayon. Any form of heat that can melt the wax can be used. Be extra careful with the lighter and the candle. The head of the lighter can become very hot and the candle can burn your artwork. Based on the pictures provided, you can see that there's many different ways that you can use this technique. So go ahead and explore and see what you can create. If you're underage, please ensure that this is done under parent supervision. And that's art in under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.